Think drifting is just for high rollers with deep pockets? Think again. In today's episode, we're sliding into the world of affordable adrenaline. From hidden gems to cult classics, these rides prove you don't need a fortune to burn rubber and turn heads. Buckle up and let's find out which dream machines made our list. Unearthing the top 5 uncommon drift cars under $10,000 for 2024. These aren't your usual suspects. They've got character, quirks, and can slide sideways without breaking your bank. Strap in and hit that subscribe button. It's cheaper than these drift cars and comes with an extra dose of fun. Ring the bell for a VIP pass to all our sideways shenanigans. Let's rev this engine and get sliding. What makes a great drift car? Besides the obvious rear-wheel drive, it's like choosing a dance partner. You want rhythm, reliability, and a touch of recklessness. And today, we're dancing with the unsung heroes of the drift world. Number 1. Volvo 240. First up, Volvo 240. Priced around $3,000, this Swedish box on wheels is the IKEA of drift cars. Functional, reliable, and surprisingly fun to put into a slide. With a robust rear-wheel drive layout and an engine tougher than a meatball in an IKEA cafe, it's the drift car you didn't know you needed. Plus, there's enough room in the back for your IKEA haul or a few trophies. Number 2. Lexus SC300. Introducing the Lexus SC300. For about $6,000, this is the James Bond of drift cars. Suave, sophisticated, but ready to get its tires dirty. Under the hood lies a smooth inline-6 engine and its rear-wheel drive, making it perfect for those who like their drifts shaken, not stirred. If this car could talk, it would probably have a British accent and a martini in hand. Number 3. Infiniti G35. Next, meet the Infiniti G35. This is the Clark Kent of cars, a normal sedan by day, but give it a cape, or in this case, about $7,000, and it transforms into a drift superhero. With its potent V6 and rear-wheel drive, the G35 is as comfortable in the office parking lot as it is on the drift track. Just don't try to leap tall buildings in a single bound. It's not that kind of superhero. Number 4. Ford Crown Victoria. Behold the Ford Crown Victoria. For around $5,000, you get this ex-police cruiser or taxi. Its V8 engine and durable chassis make it unexpectedly good at drifting. Plus, there's a bonus. You can confuse onlookers into thinking there's a high-speed chase going on. Just remember, impersonating an officer is illegal, but impersonating a drift legend? Totally fine. Number 5. Pontiac Solstice. Last up, the Pontiac Solstice. Priced around $9,000, this little roadster is the hidden gem of the drift world. It's got the charm of a small-town hero with the heart of a warrior. Its balanced chassis and peppy engine make it a joy to drift. It's like a roller skate with an attitude, small, feisty, and always ready for fun. That's our list of quirky drifters under $10,000. Remember, choosing a drift car is like picking a pet. It should match your personality and maybe your sense of style. Always check the car's history and maybe get a mechanic friend to join. They're like detectives for cars. Thanks for cruising along with us on this wild ride. Share it down below. Smash that like button. Subscribe for more treasure hunts.